Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shadow box card for Mother's Day. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to show you these Mother's Day shadow box cards that I made. I made a card similar to this during Christmas time. If you're interested in that card, I will post a link up here. But this Mother's Day card is very, very unique. I think that the scene that it creates is very, very pretty. And then you can use, I added some text that you can use the pen tool on, or you can just remove that if you'd like. That's totally up to you. Let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the free file, and then we'll get started making it. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. You're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library, and once you type in the password, you'll be brought to all the free files. You're going to want to head to number 76, which is the Mother's Day Shadow Box card. Click on that hyperlink, unzip the folder once it's downloaded, and then you can open up Design Space. I have a new project open in Design Space, so we're going to head to Upload, and then Upload Image, and Browse. Find where you downloaded the file onto your computer, and click Open, and then Upload. Highlight the image, and then click Insert Image. It's going to bring it into our canvas. Here we go. You'll see that everything has been set for you. Oh, you know what? Let me zoom out here a little bit. There we go. Now you can see everything. So you can see that I've set all of the score lines and the draw lines. So you can just head on up and click the Make It button. And in the matte preview, you see that this is a total of 6 mattes for the card only. The envelope is another matte. Hit Continue. Once your machine connects to Design Space, you can select your materials, and we can go ahead and start cutting. So for this project, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, all of our different cardstock, the scoring wheel or scoring stylus, the Cricut pen if you're choosing to use the text layer that I have included, the Cricut scraper, and some adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and get everything onto the mats and get cut out, so I will see you when everything's all done. Everything's been cut out, so we can go ahead and get started assembling this card. The first thing that we're going to do is grab the outer card layer, start folding along the score lines. Around the window area, you're going to want to just be gentle, just kind of pinch it a little bit. This will be the same for all of the card layers. Just be careful around the window. Press the folds with the scraper. There we go. Set that to the side. Now let's start working on the inner card layers. You're going to do the same thing, fold along the score lines and press the folds with the Cricut scraper. And you want to make sure that your tabs are facing you. So when you set the card up, they face towards you. You can repeat that for all of the inner card layers. Alright, now that that's all done, I'm going to start with the first layer in the card. That's the lightest card layer. And I'm going to put my adhesive on. This is on the left tab. And then when you open up the card, the outer card, you want to place this on the right side of the window. Just line up your edges, leaving a little bit of space after the score line. Give it a good press and a fold. Just like that. Now take your next one, so we're going to build them up that way. Add your adhesive. And place this next to the first layer. You're going to want to leave a little bit of a gap. You don't want to butt them right up next to each other, because then it will be a little bit difficult for the card to fold. There's definitely enough space on the sides here to do this. I'm going to do that for all the other ones. There we go. Now fan out all of these layers so that they fold nice and flat. Fold the first right side tab of the first layer up so that you can put the adhesive on it. And then take the outer card layer and fold it up. You're going to meet the inner card layer with the outer card. So you want to press down on the outer card layer, making sure that you're lining up the edges, and give it a good press. See how it's adhered on that left side? Okay, now let's do it for the other layers. Add your adhesive. It's a little bit easier after you get the first one done, because then the card naturally wants to sit the way that you want it to. Give it a good press. There, that's a little bit better view for you guys. Just gonna get all the other ones done. There we go. Now let's do the back panel here. So you're going to want to add glue or adhesive to the left and right sides. One thing that I didn't mention is in the file I did include a colored panel that you are free to use if you'd like. In this tutorial I did not use that though. So fold the card down. And then you're going to want to line up the back panel with those tabs in the back. And give it a good press. Press it on the other side, making sure that you fold the tab in and line up all your edges. Give it a nice fold in both directions. And there we go. See, everything's attached. Fold it to the left so that it folds nicely. And then you can put your message on the back. Aren't they really pretty? I love the way that these cards turned out. And it folds almost flat, not completely, but almost flat, that you can put it in the envelope and mail it out. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that you do make it. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of Mother's Day ideas and a ton of different cards, so make sure that you do check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. I will see everybody later. Bye.